Alright, let's see if I drop any more frames. Okay, I'm not dropping frames, so cool. Shit. Alright, we're good to go. Am I not live? Am I not live? Yeah, are we good? Let's go. So let's start basic pen testing. Yeah, just first thing here, done with that, deploy the machine. Let's complete that. On the services explode by the machine, we're gonna do map dash a dash a dash s dash v dash sv actually for software version, and then dash v, and then I'm gonna go with the IP of the target, so copy that, plug that in there, and let's let it run. Oh wait, it's VV. Okay, I did something wrong here, hold on. I think it's asking for the nmap version instead of the version of the target. So here. Okay, so I could just dash a. I could just dash a. Yeah, I don't need SV, I just need I don't need the SV here. So it's gonna be dash A and then VV for version or for verbosity. Oh, hold on. There we go. Now it should work. So we're just gonna let that run to find the services exposed. Is again not to scan what is named the hidden directory in the web server. So okay, there's a web server that's hosted on here. We just need to find out what port it's using though. So and that's here. And let's open this in full screen. In the meantime, we'll zoom in a bit so you guys can see a bit better as well. Alright, let's see. So SMB stuff here. Right, whole script results. Let's see, this should be a. How do I format? This should be something where I could format it better, right? Okay, discovered open port 445, 82, 80, 80, 80, 139, 8009. Okay, so 22 is TCP SSH. Okay. And then we have port 80, which is HTTP, Apache. Might be port 80 here for the server. Let's see. Sec. So let's just go to thing, see if it gives us anything. Okay. It's undergoing maintenance, port A. Okay, well, it's just it's basically just going under maintenance. I don't know if the box is undergoing maintenance or I don't know. don't think it is though. Yeah, I'll complete that. I should probably store this. I should have probably stored this somewhere actually. This let me just run it again, and I'll how to format the output better and store it basically store it in a text file. There's a course to follow. It should be named Follow Along. It explains things very well. Where's that course at? For example, to store the output in a normal text file, keeping format unreadable. So on and okay, yeah, I'm gonna do on and then output the text. So we're gonna name that. And yeah, let's say the capital O dash O. Okay. -O and then end, and then the name of the file, which is going to be services.txt. I'm just going to let it run again here. When you launch the experience, it should be near the top. What do you mean? I don't know. There's video solution. There's no like follow. I mean, yeah, it's not follow along. I don't know. There's the video write up right here though, which I can watch. What is the name of the hidden directory? We could just do dear buster. Let me just sublime. I think it's su. Sublime. To open a file with Sublime Linux. SUBL. Okay, so SUBL, and then it's gonna be services.txt. There it is. Let's cancel that. Let's open this big and wide. Let's zoom in a little bit here. So there we go. Okay, it's basically the same thing, and yeah, got it nice and written here for us. Yeah, so all the ports that are open basically. Yeah, port 8080, Apache Tomcat. That's another web server thing. I could try these ports here. I don't think should be any of these, like 8080 or 8009. 8080. Oh, there we go. Wait, no, that's the Tomcat configuration. Thanks. 8080, 8009. Yeah, no, that's not it. Alright, cool. Let's just get rid of that. Let's just go to the basic website, and I think just, yeah, don't need to specify the port. I think here, do it here. Alright, and yeah, we found the service exploit. Or exploit was the name of the hidden directory. Let's go dear poster. And then, or do we use GoBuster? I forgot which one it was. And then dash u for URL. I think. Let me just clear poster directory enumeration example. Good GoBuster or DRS. I actually forgot which one it was. Yo, son, how's it going? Where you from? I'm from Mauritius. Liverpool 0. Wait, really? Liverpool lost? No way. No way. Are they losing or did they lose? Oh, this makes me happy, bro. This makes me so happy. It's crazy. This makes me so happy. Oh my god. Wait, Forest actually won 2 games. And they drew 2 games. They're actually doing good. What the... How is Forest actually doing good though? No, that's actually crazy. How is Forest actually doing good? That is insane, man. That is insane. Hey, Mitch, how's it going, man? Forest is actually doing decent, to be fair. Well, who did they play? They drew against Wolves. They lost on pens against Newcastle. They beat Southampton, which we just beat as well, to be fair. They beat Bournemouth, and then yeah, I think that's last season. But they drew against Bournemouth. They won against Southampton, and they just beat Liverpool. That's crazy. How's the games going? What games? What games? What games do you mean? Right, yeah, we asked ChatGPT how to do the same with, okay, yeah, so it's GoBuster that we were using, GoBuster dir URL in the world list. And then, yeah, we don't really care about that. Alright, let's just look at it. So, yeah, I already have GoBuster installed. Yeah, they're doing more than alright, to be honest. They've already got 8 points. I mean, I think, like, usually to maintain, you need around, like, 30 points, right? So they've done, like, almost a third of that. Rashford finally scored a goal. Nice for him, man. Really nice for him. I need to just lower this a bit, because I can't really hear the TTS. Alright, should be a bit better. That's what I meant to say. Yeah, Rashford he scored a nice goal, to be fair. It was a nice goal. He didn't really seem like crazy happy about it, to be fair, but he did score a nice goal. I feel like he lost his confidence a bit, but hopefully he gains it back during the season, and then he should be, you know, should be good for us as long as he gains his confidence back. So, all right, it's not GoBuster, GoBuster dash u, and then the URL target here. There we go. Do we need to? Yeah, we need to http // so http / need that, otherwise it might just be buggy. I'm not looking forward to Tottenham playing Arsenal tomorrow. Oh, I think you're gonna get battered. I think you might get battered. If he gets his form back, he can be in his prime. I mean, how old is he? Not like 28 now? I feel like if he gets his form back and he's really good, we should just sell him now. If he's really good, we should probably just sell him, honestly, and get somebody else. Because his wages are just insane, you know? His wages are just insane. Like, it's crazy. There's specifies directory. They got arguably the best free midfield out. Who? I mean, I know they got Rice out. He's got a red card, right? Who else do they got out? I think, yeah, Odegaard, I think, is injured as well, right? So yeah, that's not great for them. I think it's gonna be another title for City. The way it's going. We told me to Napoli. Yeah, he's already gone to Napoli. I kind of miss him. He has to be one of the more overhyped players of all time. He's not overhyped. He's just overpaid. Well, I guess, yeah, he's overhyped. He's overhyped. He's like, when he plays good, he's actually up there with one of the best wingers right now. Like, when he's up there, he's like, when he's really good, he's up there with like Vinicius, Rodrigo, that kind of season, you know. But when he's bad, he's just like he's not prem quality when he's bad, you know. He's just shit. But when he's good, he's up there with Vinicius, Rodrigo, Leao, you know. Yeah, he's just not consistent with it, you know. Like when he's good, he's good. When he's not, he's just not. So he just needs to be consistent, and then, you know, as long as he's consistent, I feel like he should you know, should be good for us this season. We got the word list there, and then example output in real time, showing directories like this, status codes, existing can be exist but redirects. It's forbidden to access. You can search for specific file extensions. Okay. This will search for directories and files with extension. Okay, cool. Controlling scan previous threads. Okay. A goalkeeper is also a problem sometimes. I mean, Onana was good today. Onana he saved the pen and he saved the shot. The shot wasn't, honestly, they both weren't like amazing, but he made the saves. He made the saves, and he didn't do any stupid mistakes. He didn't give away the ball. He was good, played out from the back. So yeah, he was good today. He was good today, not gonna lie. He was good today. Like, we were getting cooked first 30 minutes, honestly. If you look at the first 30 minutes, we deserved to lose the game. But after that, like, Southampton just, they got cooked. They weren't great, so yeah. You can save the output to a file using the option. Okay, so yeah, we need that as well. So go watch the results. Okay, so yeah. Go watch the results.txt, and I think that should be good. You know, we got the output stored. Yep. All right. Let's just slap that. Let me just get rid of that there. Right, let's get that going. And okay, okay, is that actually not a flag? Is that not a flag? Oh, go watch the deer. Okay, I have to say deer. I have to specify the mode, I guess. So deer. No, not there. Deer. There we go. They're running, and I'm guessing it's probably the one that we're looking for right there. Development. Well, goalkeeper is the problem. If Man United win the next match, do they become 7th? I have no idea, honestly. It's like too early to care about placement and things like that. Right now, it's like way too early to care about anything, in my opinion. The hidden one is probably development here, so development. There you go. That's the one we're missing. Using brute force to use. I'm guessing that means use. Brute force to find the password. I actually don't know how to do that, but we can ask ChatGPT and try to do it ourselves, or we could go with the write-up. I think I'll try to do it myself, and if I'm struggling, then we'll go with the write-up. But first, let's try the development here. See, I'm guessing we need some sort of admin login to access anything. So develop. I'm guessing we need some sort of, yeah. So we got dev.text. I've been messing with the, okay. Just zoom this a bit. I cannot zoom this a bit. Shit. Yeah, I can't. Okay, no, there we go. I can zoom it so you guys can read as well. Alright. I don't know. It's just been randomly, like, sometimes it's hot, sometimes it's cold. It's just been like changing, you know. It hasn't really been consistent. I'm not gonna lie. I've been messing with that strut stuff, and it's pretty cool. I think it might be need to host that on this server too. I haven't made any real web apps yet, but I have tried that example yet to show off how it works, and it's the REST version of the example. Oh, and right now I'm using version 2.5 because other versions were giving me trouble. Simply as you configure, I appreciate that up. Okay, so we're using, let me just note this down on docs. Google Docs here. Let's get a new document up. Let's just rename it as basic. Okay, basic. Basic Pentesting. There we go. Alright. I'll smooth that out the way there. I could just have it on the little title, that's fine. Planning to for legal reasons I am gonna say no. Yeah. So I'm guessing we are using REST version we're using here. 2.5.12 2.5.12 is being used. Alright. Make that nice and bold here. That a bit bigger, there we go. Cheap viewers on that shit right there. Goodbye. There we go. Goodbye. And let's go back here. Alright. Already looked at that. And then let's see g.text. For J, I've been auditing the contents of etc shadow to make sure we don't have any weak credentials and other to craft your hash really easily. You know our password policy, so please follow. Tune the password as that. Weak credentials, huh? Weak credentials, huh? That's very interesting. So this reveals that there is a very easy password. We can get that. Nope. See here. Yeah, it's not found right there. Is that cheap shit? Yeah, it's just like a bot thing. Don't worry about it. Use brute force to find that username. Where? Username and password for what? Username and password for what? For the web server? How do I find that? Was I supposed to? Oh, I'm guessing the other link maybe is the one here. Hold up. There was another link, wasn't there? There was another link in here. Server status. Status for free. I don't know if that's... Oh no, I don't think this is something that we can access. Maybe I missed something here. Let's see. I'm not really sure though. Let's get rid of this one right there. You don't have permission to access that on the server. Okay. Good, we don't have permission. Alright, let me look at the write-up here real quick. Let's see what they did. Can close that, by the way. See what they did here.
I want to introduce you guys, if you haven't heard of it before, to TryHackme.com. So let's jump over to my screen here. I want to show you guys this. TryHackme.com is an awesome new...
Yeah, this is like a definitely old ass video, bro.
Spun up now, and now let's go to that OpenVPN configuration file page. Is open about that. We have other ports we can enumerate and access. We could just brute force random stuff on SSH, but that wouldn't help us much. Let's try and jump into the SMB or see what we can access with that. When I do that, I like to use enum for Linux. That should already be in your path if you're working in Kali. I like to just go ahead and use it from my op directory because I'm on Ubuntu here, and I'm just with your learning. Like, even if you scroll to the top here, they'll willingly give you write-ups, like community length, so you have at least an idea of what it's looking for. That's kind of cool. So let's get these usernames. We found development, and it looks like there's nothing else that we could particularly look through. What is that? J.text. We didn't see him. I've been auditing the contents of it set shadow to make sure we don't have...
Is this a hobby for work? It's a hobby mainly. It's mainly a hobby.
Credentials now. I was able to crack your hash really easily. You know our password policy, so please...
Don't you play any games now? Sometimes. Sometimes. I played some Days Gone yesterday.
J and K. Huh. Okay, so let's go try and figure out what those users might be. We know we have other ports we can enumerate and access. We could just brute force random stuff on SSH, but that wouldn't help us much. Let's try and jump into the SMB or see what we can access with that. When I do that, I like to use enum for Linux. That should already be in your path if you're working in Kali. I like to just go ahead and use it from my op directory because I'm on Ubuntu here. And I'm just going to grab the IP address again, 10.10.10.100. I don't want the HTTP nonsense in there. I use TAC-A to do everything in enum, and I go ahead and pipe that to T, so I get an enum for Linux log file, and I can save my results. We'll go ahead and
let me just get ChatGPT to explain things. All right. Use enum for Linux for share enumeration. Get the music back on. Alright. Okay. I think I need to. I think he used -A. I think he used -A. Alright, so I'm gonna do -A and then -S. Play FIFA. I stopped playing FIFA actually long time ago. Long time ago I stopped playing FIFA, man. Oh, sorry about that. Alright, let's do this. No, that's not what I didn't want it. I actually didn't want it to run right there. Wait, did it actually do the? I think it might have actually used the. Yeah, it actually used the IP wanted. So let's do -A and -B for Vulnerability. -A and then -B. Okay, maybe using dash okay. Okay, so we got a user Jan and a user K. I'm guessing Jan is the one that we want to maybe get access to right now. I thought you were already done with the stream. I opened YouTube, I saw you streaming. Oh, what do you mean you were done with the stream? Like, you thought I stopped streaming? I didn't stream for a while actually, and then recently I started kind of just being regular with it a little bit. So we got the OS version. Okay, so this allows sessions with that. we could try using the, or sorry, we could try brute forcing, because we know that one of the usernames is Jan. From down here, I think it's Jan. Because we saw this right there. Yeah. Right there. So that there's a local user called Jan currently, so users found K and Jan. Oh, you stopped streaming. Oh, no. I mean, I don't really have work tomorrow, so I'm gonna try to finish this and then go to sleep, but if I can't finish it, I'll do like part of it and then finish the rest tomorrow. But yeah, I'm gonna try to do this right now. I think when I try to SSH in, like, yeah. Actually, how would you go about brute forcing this?
Okay, now our enum for Linux scan had finished. I'm going to go ahead and open up that log file that I saved it to, because the output from enum for Linux is kind of hard to look at through the command line there. There's a lot of noise and nonsense. So some of the stuff we already kind of tracked down. It's running Samba. We know the basic 2 host name. Let's keep scrolling through this. Some shares we could access. IPC, looks like, again, that's private. Anonymous. I don't know about that one. We could check that out if we wanted to. See what other users it might have tracked down. Nobody. Okay. We'd expect that. A lot of these. Some kind of groups. Oh, and there we go. Enumerating users using that's SID.
There we go.
And we found a Linux user K and a Linux user Jan. Nice.
Did find those,
so
yep.
that would help.
Now how do we go about brute forcing the password?
To that page. Let's say what is
the username is Jan or K, I guess. It's either Jan or K. I'm guessing it's Jan because she's got a weak password. There you go. What's the password? Like Hydra. I've never seen like what about using a tool like Hydra to brute force, but on the beginner or on the basic path, they don't include Hydra for brute forcing password. Brute forcing password. So like potential if you're following the basic pentest, the basic the basic whatever it's called. The complete beginner path, they don't show you this, they actually don't show you this here. Like there's no Hydra, no Hydra, what's it called? Like room, that teaches you about it. So the fact that it expects you to use it is kind of just doo-doo,
We can mark that as complete too, and it asks for the other user you found. So let's put K in here. Good. And now, what is the password? We don't know that yet. What service do you use to access the server? Oh, that's got to be SSH then.
Yeah.
Access the server.
Yeah, probably SSH.
Enter an abbreviation in all caps, so SSH.
Yeah, I could have guessed that.
Answer. Oh, and we could probably try and brute force, just as it said, brute force the username and password. Since we know what the username is, Jan.
Well, some games before you go. I mean, this room shouldn't take too long. Like this room looks fairly easy. It's easier than the previous one that I did, which was Vulnversity. So this shouldn't take too long, honestly.
Note, we could go ahead and actually hammer this with Hydra. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna say Hydra.
Let's just ask ChatGPT how to do it, because this guy's just gonna, like he's cool, but he's just gonna Hydra password. And he's just gonna, just like walk through it really quickly. Hydra is a popular tool for performing brute force password attacks on various protocols such as SSH, HTTP, FTP, SMB, and many others. It allows you to use wordless or dictionary attacks set up to guess usernames and password. Here's how to use Hydra for brute forcing password. Sudo install. basic Hydra command for SSH brute force. To brute force an SSH login, you can use the following Hydra command: path to password list, and then SSH. All right, we can do that. So, yeah, we're gonna do that. We're gonna use exactly that. We're gonna use the RockU word list. I don't know if it's stored there. Yeah, alright. I'm just gonna use this. I'm just gonna use the basic one here, see if that works. So, yeah, let's cancel that. Alright, so right there. And SSH, so we got that run. Let's just break Jan here. So Jan, and I think my RockU is located in the user share work list RockU. I might be wrong though. Now it's attacking that. We're just gonna leave it do its thing there. Yeah, just gonna leave it be, and we'll see. We'll look at the write up in the meantime.
Basic example usage.
I don't have FIFA installed anymore, actually, as a matter of fact.
Of that command there, we could use Hydra tac L with Jan, tac capital P to specify a password list. I'm going to use RockU. I don't know what I was typing just there. And then we need to specify the protocol.
But yeah, I don't have FIFA anymore. I uninstalled it.
We want to connect to. So it's 10, 10, 100, and it was 180, right? I promise I'll remember this eventually. It was 180. I got it. All right. Now we will let Hydra go beat this machine up. If you don't know, Hydra is a password guesser, or it'll brute force passwords by trying to connect to a service with given credentials. So you could specify a user file or a list of usernames that you would want to try, and a password file, just as we did there. If you use a capital L, that allows you to, as an argument parameter, specify a user file.
I don't know if it's okay. 257 tries per minute.
If you want to use a lowercase p, you could use a one static password, and it could loop through a list of usernames or one specific username, etc. And then the protocol that you're going to connect to, SSH or FTP, and I think it has support for some others. I think it can even do like web stuff. You can do like a form post, etc. Really cool things with Hydra. But that is what we can use to try and run through RockU.txt and attempt to spray that service and guess passwords until we can try and log in with it. Okay, looks like we got a credential. Looks like Hydra was able to successfully brute force and actually log in through SSH with a password with the
Okay, the password is on Mondo.
So it looks like we have.
How long did it take? It took 3 minutes to do it. Yeah, it definitely took 3 minutes to do it. So
found that Jan has the password. Should
be there for us as well. In a little bit, should be done. See. Let me go take a walk. I'll wait for it to be done. What's the next step? So yeah, found the password. We did. We know that we're connecting for SSH, so we can just do that. Yeah, we're gonna do that. We're gonna run LinPEAS on it in a sec once we find the password. As the name of the other you found, it was K. Jan and K. If you have found what can you do with this information? Go from password. What can you? You could use the key, you could use the private key to access it, but yeah. We'll have to take a look at that a bit later. So yeah, on vectors for privilege escalation. I'll do that later. What is the password? Password, yeah, password, there we go. It's right there. Armando is the password right there. And then let's run LinPEAS. For LinPEAS example. Do you have LinPEAS installed? Okay, I can SSH into the machine right now. That's what we can do. SSH gen at the. We can do that right now. There we go. Yes. The password is Armando. There we go. And people went to the God team. What do you mean the God team? ls. Okay, PWD where I'm at. I am in home gen. Let's cd root. And then let's ls. See what we have in here. So okay, we got a lot of stuff in here. And let's cd home. ls. We should have k. Let's cdk. ls. Alright, this pass stuff back. Let's get that. Okay, it's password protected, so we probably need some sort of yeah, probably need privilege escalation here. Let's see what he used to escalate privileges.
Armando? I don't know. I don't like to pretend. All right, what is the password? We can go ahead and submit that. Armando, submit. And there we go. That answer is correct. Okay, so we could, at that point, log into the machine now, right? So let's go ahead and take note of this. Let's say found credentials, or we should actually note how we got all those answers. Questions and answers. Okay, so found credentials. We have J, seemingly nothing in their home. Jan to it basic. Let's stop this stupid go buster. We don't need to do that anymore. We're logged in, and let's see what we got. Okay, seemingly nothing in their home with sudo to PrivEsc. Nope, we cannot run sudo on basic 2. Okay, well, we can't read it except for shadow. Can we see any other user's home directories? Let's move into K. We can move into K. Oh, she has a pass.back file. Can we read that? No, we cannot. She has a vim info file. Cat vim info.
Thank you for the follow too, Wes. Appreciate it, man.
Still can't read those.
Welcome in.
Well, to speed up our enumeration process, typically when I get on a machine, I like to run linenum, or now kind of the new one, LinPEAS.
Yeah.
I can show you that. LinPEAS GitHub.
Let's grab LinPEAS and just get on this machine, to be honest. Yep. Grab it here. It's just ls, sorry. There you go. I'm gonna just get in here. No. Permission. Oh, okay, I have. Maybe I don't have permission to create it in here. Let's try to create it into Jan. Now let's try to create it again in here. Yeah, I don't have permission to do that. Easy penetration.
One of the privilege escalation awesome.
I don't know about that.
Sweet.
Can I double get anything from? Like, what if I get it on my actual machine? Okay, we don't need that right now. Don't need this sublime text. Let's open another terminal. What if I get it on this machine and then I snap it on my other machine? We do that. So let me do it on this machine right there. It's ls. It should be somewhere here, right? Where did I actually download this shit? Hold up. Clone peas. Where did this? Oh, there we go. Peas ng. Wait, shit. I should have probably mv. Peas ng. to move this somewhere, you know. I could just leave it here, you know. I could just leave it here and actually like precise what we want to move. Let's just host a web server right here. So host Python web server. I think it's py3.-m py3m and then the server, something like that. Yeah, py3 http, and I'm gonna host it on port 1234. So oh shit, let me just cancel that. Let's run it on port 1234. Sorry, 1234. There we go. We got the server set up right here, and now let's go wget file from this server. So okay. Okay, let's grab that. Slap that on the Jan here. Okay, let's do this. And let's grab this from our local machine on port 1234. 1234. And it's gonna be a local machine here. It's gonna be 10.10.146 10.10.146 1686, and then it's gonna be, I don't know if this is, I mean it should work normally, we should be able to get it, but yeah. Terminal. Okay, get this a bit smaller. There you go, thank you. Alright, what's it called here? It's called peas-ng. Let's copy that real quick. Still serving on the web server there. And let's slap it in. peas-ng. Now let's try to grab it. What the fuck? Okay, I can't grab it here. Oh, let's see how the hell he did it.
Scripts.
How did he run it?
Hilarious. I love that image. And LinPEAS. LinPEAS will let us do this in Linux. It has a sh script. We can just go ahead and run it. And it's pretty pointed. It gives you nice highlighted color output as to what things could be used as a potential privilege escalation vector.
I should probably have gotten the shell script.
Currently just in my opt directory with LinPEAS and LinPEAS sh. We can go ahead and actually scp that over though. Let's scp it because we have Jan's credentials through SSH. Jan 10.10.100.180, and we need to specify the file that we want to bring over. So LinPEAS, and let's go ahead and put it in.
Oh, we have that. Oh, let's go to our machine here. This full screen. Okay, let's get that out of the way. Let's get this. Let's. Did I get it successfully on this machine though? Oh, it's here. It's not here. I will try to secure copy or whatever here. Let's see the. That's okay, that's not here. CD, that's that. That's again. Yeah, it's not here. Anyways, CD. No, we're on the home directory. We're gonna just go over here and we're gonna secure copy it over to our machine over there. And this. Sorry, let's go this. CD. NG. So let's just get the script from here. So CD LinPEAS. Unless the script should be in here. Okay. Let me grab the. Yeah, fine. It's fine. Get LinPEAS script on Linux. Now let's use that. Alright, let's try to just get it directly from there. Connecting to GitHub. We're just gonna wait and see if anything happens. If not, we're gonna try to obviously do something different here. Yeah. No, it's not really connecting here, is it? So let's just download it on our machine. Or maybe the link is not good. I have no idea, honestly. Let's just do it to make it easier, man, because this is just annoying to having to switch back and forth again and again. Alright, there we go. Should make it a bit easier for us here. Yeah, let's go download it over here. So let's just see so this we've got a lot of stuff in here. Let's just unkit here. This and that's us. Yeah, test in here somewhere. Let's CD test. There you go. And here, select this link. LinPEAS.sh saved. Press ls. There you go. It's right there. We don't need to make it execute over here. It's tp to copy file. Oh, screen to remote. Path to local file, username at remote IP, path to remote directory. Let's do that. So let's do this, and path to local file is let me just do that. It's pwd git test let's ls. All right, let's reuse what we had right there, and then let's just copy this. For fuck's sake. Control-Shift-C. And then do that. So root test and then / LinPEAS.sh. And then select username at remote. We're gonna go Jan. At Jan. The IP, so do that, Jan at that, and the path to the remote directory is going to be pwd /home oh wait, cd jam. Okay. So let's get it over here because this is empty. Let's do that and let's run it. Jan's password Armando. Permission didn't. What do you mean permission didn't, bro? Did I just do this whole thing for nothing then?
K ID RSA. We know the operating system kind. It's old version of. Those have to do that SCP that over though. Let's SCP it because we have Jan's credentials through SSH. Jan 10.10.100.180, and we need to specify the file that we want to bring over. So LinPEAS, and let's go ahead and put it in dev shm. Because I like to put things in dev shm for shared memory. It works well for us. Okay, looks.
Maybe I just missed out the password here. See, do I have caps on? No, I don't have caps on. Let's try to run it again. So, root test LinPEAS home chat. Alright. Is it Armando? No, it's a password, not Armando. Am I tripping? It's a password. It's Arlando. Oh, it is Armando. Fuck. Let me just copy it and paste it. Jan. Oh, we are in Jan's. Oh, we are in Jan's thing there. Wasn't working for us. Maybe I don't have access to write to that. Yeah, it's probably because I don't have access to write to that particular file right now, I'm guessing. I'll have to check in a sec. Could be. Enter. Yeah, hold up. Let's go over here. Let's cd. cd. I don't think I have permission to /-l. Read and execute. Yeah, I don't have. Wait, no. Hold up. Directory, read, write, execute, read, write. Yeah, I don't have write permissions. I don't have write permissions, so I can't really write anything over here. Let's find somewhere we can write something to, I guess. So it's cd data. I can write to hold up. Yeah, this is read write. So let me see what I can write to here. I guess I can write to TMP. Yeah, we can write to TMP. Alright, let's cd TMP. cd/tmp. ls. Oh, fuck's sake. Where are you? ls. I have some random stuff in here. We're gonna just move it to I think it's just /tmp, right? DOD, yeah, just /tmp. Yeah, it's just gonna be /tmp. Armando should there we go, perfect. So we just didn't have write permissions in the other file, and then let's chmod +x to give executable permissions to linpeas.sh /sh. Should normally be green, but maybe because we don't have like fancy stuff, it's not green. Let's ls-l to view the permissions. Where's that actually? I can't really see. LinPEAS. Yes, we can execute. Anybody can execute it. Alright, perfect. Let's just execute it then. So /linpeas.sh, and there we go. Perfect. Perfect. Now we can see what type of vulnerabilities we have here. Checklist. Red, yellow, 95% P vector ready. Should take a look at it. Latian. Users with a console, blue. Users without a console. Not magenta using mine. Just gonna let it do its thing here. Okay, that's a lot of stuff right there. Holy shit. Is there any way to make this easier to read this thing?
Looks like that copied over. Let's go check out dev shm. And there it is. All right, LinPEAS. Oh. LSTACL. Yeah. Okay, cool. Let's mark it as executable. And now let's go ahead and run LinPEAS. /linpeas, and I'm going to t that to a file so I have the output, linlog.txt, and let's go.
Yeah, let's just do that. Let's t that to a file. Let me just grip it. Or pipe it, and then t to enum.txt. I'm just gonna let it run again here. And then we'll see what we find in just about a second. Okay, ads are running. I'll just go take a piss. I'll be right back then, because ads are running right now. Apparently ads are running, I don't know. I'll be back. Yeah. Let's go and take a look. Let's UPL enum.txt. Can I open that? No, I don't have sublime text in here. Shit. Let me grab that from my terminal. Wait, should have. Which machine are you playing? This is, just as the title says, basic pentesting is the name of the machine right now. Alright. Let me try to see if I could get that on my machine. So Let's do that. Alright, let's get can I set up how do we get the files from there now? I could just nano it, but would it? Okay, hold on. Let me see if I have nano on this. No, should have nano normally. You know, it's not gonna look good. Yeah, it's not there. Alright, hold up.
Okay, so that's gonna run through a ton of stuff. It'll make our lives a lot easier because
we'll see how he
we
reads it.
won't have to...
Can you increase the sound a little? Like my voice, or what sound? The music or like my voice? Because my voice seems to be pretty loud right now.
Do that manual checking all on our own, and once it's done, we can go ahead and take a look through it. Actually, let me just scroll up now so you can get a good idea as to what this is doing and how. So LinPEAS gives you a little legend or what you're actually going to be looking at with the colors that LinPEAS gives you in its output. For things that are red and yellow, that is very, very much likely a privilege escalation vector. For things that are in red, you should take a look at that because you could, if you explore it, do some manual stuff with it, you could probably find a route or vector in that. So scrolling, it works well for us. Okay, looks like that copied over. Let's go check out as executable. Now, so you can get a good idea as to what this is doing.
I mean, I guess he didn't really use the output then. Alright, fine. Whatever. Yeah, let's see. We'll see if we found anything in red or yellow that is just highlighted for us to look at here. Okay, it's just the whoopsies, it didn't. Can I not go up? Oh shit, I can't go up. It's that's great. Press enter to continue. What the fuck is? Oh my god. Oh, there we go. Okay, you know, oh, it's the colors. Oh, it's the colors. Hold up. Let's just exit out of here. It's the goddamn colors. Okay, I can scroll up now though, yeah. Hopefully I can scroll up now. And okay, no, I cannot scroll up. Shit. Shit. Alright. Let's just rerun it again, I guess. Let's rerun it again. And then we're gonna scroll down instead of scrolling up. There we go. Alright. No, don't scroll down. Don't scroll down for me, please. Do not scroll down for me, right? Because if you scroll down, then I can't scroll up, and that's like kind of annoying. Okay. Okay, there's nothing that's highlighted so far. Hold up. There's some yellow stuff here, maybe. No, I guess I'm just colorblind. I don't know. Okay, there's nothing that's been highlighted. As far as I could see, I saw nothing that was highlighted, so nothing that was like really, really obvious. Nothing. That was like hella obvious, but yeah, I don't know. Well, let's just look at what my boy John does here.
So LinPEAS gives you a little legend or what you're actually going to be looking at with the colors that LinPEAS gives you in its output. For things that are red and yellow, that is very, very much likely a privilege escalation vector. For things that are in red, you should take a look at that because operating system kind, it's old version of sudo. Maybe we could have used that. Path looks okay.
We didn't even need to run LinPEAS, to be fair, man. Like, it literally, oh my god, I forgot. It literally said this REST version that. I don't know if we can exploit that. there might be an exploit for that. Hold up. Enumerate the machine to find any vectors. I mean, we kind of did find that. Let's use exploit db. And let's just nope, rest. Two point five. Hold for port. Thanks, man. Appreciate that. Alright. Let's see. So this is exploit right here. I'll just run this. Let's see whatever it does here. It's not my machine it's running on anyway, so it's fine. This is for remote code execution though, and I don't really need it because I already have access to the machine. So, like, why would I need to? I don't really need this. I need a privilege escalation one. Yeah, this is remote stuff here. It's like, yeah, it's just for OSI. I need like a privilege escalation one. Let me see what this bro did. Let me see what he did here.
I'm looking for those red and yellow things. The nice, quick, easy hits that LinPEAS helps us figure out. Oh, it's interesting. We have a lot of Perl and Python in here. We have GCC. All right, so things running as root. Those are things we should check out. There's a weird one running at root.
So maybe we could get like, we could get SUID.
Apache, which is peculiar.
Could exploit the SUID
there's
bit,
other like local services or open ports only locally to this machine. Services. Oh, there we go. Yeah, in the active ports, you can see we only have one thing listening locally, and that's noted in red for us here. Hey, here's a local loopback address only port that we could access. 8005, we could explore that. Super users is root, obviously. Users with console, so Jan and K, which we found. All users, Jan and K and root. MySQL, blah, 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 blah. Nothing there. Ooh! Looking for SSH files. Port 22 for SSH. Public key authentication is on. Use PAM. Ooh, and they have a private key for K. So K's SSH directory has an IDRSA file, which we could use to log in as that K user. I wonder if we could actually read that. I was just in home K, so let's take a look. LSTAC LA. We could move into SSH. And we can read her private key. All right, let's do that. Let's cat that IDRSA file.
Okay, so yeah.
There's a lot.
We could just do that. And then log in as her. Here. No, I think she has higher privilege or something. Let's just do that. So let's go down. CD let's Alice. Let's put on some music here. Oh wait, no, we need to go to K. So CD home. CD home /K ls ls-la cd.ssh ls and then get ID underscore RSA. Now we could use that and just slap that into file. So begin private key, skip that, and then get that, and then we can go ahead and open up a nano file on our, let me just open a sublong file, tbl. And close that. Open another one. Actually, no. I could just close it here, and then paste that, and then we could save that as case k. What was it? Save that? No, other one here. Hold up. So let's what is to save that here. ID under PrivEsc, so let's save it as, was it save thing out again? There it is. K underscore ID underscore RSA. I'll save that there. Right, nice. We can SSH into K with that, so we can just do exit out of here, and then we can SSH -I. Oh fuck, what did I just do? Hold up. Yep, let's do that. Nope. SSH -I K, and then K at the 10.10 something. So that's gonna help us to SSH using a private key instead of a password. There we go. Let's please copy that. Thank you. There we go. Unprotected profile permission for key to open users ID private keys are not accessible by others. There we go. Oh wait, I still need a password. Shit, I still need a password. But what do I need a password for?
Here, begin RSA.
Thought I had it,
key.
but
I'm gonna go ahead and just store this in a new file. Let's say nano k ID RSA.
Ooh, thank you for the follow, Neospring. How you doing, man?
Let's paste that all in here, just a quick nano file. And then we can mark it as only read-only by us.
Oh, hold up. Yep, bad permissions. I need to promote 600 first. Always love to see cyber streams. I love to see you here, man. Alright, let me just Control C, get out of here. And now let's chmod 600 and okay. Change the permission, and now it should let me run it here. And oh, she's got a passphrase. Oh, come on, man. Why can you not make it? Okay, hold on. Let me see what he does. I'm guessing I'm gonna attempt to brute force the passphrase, maybe. I don't know. We'll see here.
For SSH. So SSH tag I with that K ID RSA with the K user at 10.10.100.180.
Yeah, that's nice. You need the passphrase.
Passphrase
yeah.
For the private key. So, okay, so
yeah, that was not expected.
Protected. What could we do to figure out what that password is? Enter John the Ripper, right? So John the Ripper, if you don't know, has a cool tool that comes with it, SSH to John, and you've probably seen a lot of these between like JWT to John or zip to John for other things that John can still crack. Let's go ahead and say SSH to John with our KD ID RSA, and now we have that hash that John the Ripper could understand, but not just the original file. So we have to run that tool before we give this file to John the Ripper to run and work with. So I'll call that for John.txt.
Okay, so let's go SSH to John. Okay, get out of here. SH to John. Convert RSA ID file to John trackable format, I guess. Now let's find that on our machine here, see if it's there. Okay, so it is there. Oh, nice. We have it. Path to John, so we're gonna just get the path here and then paste that. There you go. Now let's do K ID RSA, and I'm gonna in that as John, or just John. Yes, not John, just to, in case there's something called John or John the Ripper, you know, I don't want to make it too confusing. I'm trying to, okay, I guess it's gonna just be, okay, we just say John J dot text. Does it have to be a text file? See that? Tell us. Should have John J, so John J dot text. Just gonna, I don't know if I need to, I should probably use a word list for it. Let's see what word list he used.
Or whatever, doesn't matter. Now we could go ahead and actually run John the program itself with that forJohn utility, or that forJohn file, because we just saved all those hashes in a thing that it could use. I should specify a word list here, and because we can use RockU, let's actually do that. We can use
let's use RockU, and because otherwise it might just take forever if we don't use anything. So John W, and then it's my RockU pulse list. Pulse list is what I meant to say. Let's just do that. There's the fun one, so name, and then RockU text. Should be RockU text normally. There we go. Alright, got the path right there. Just copy that, and then let's oops. Hello, son. You still here? So John dash W, okay, dash W. Okay, just sorry about that. There we go. Word list. And let's get the John J.text, and now let's run it. Alright.
Attack word list equals, and I have RockU.text, which is a big long dictionary file of common and known kind of a.
Okay, so maybe I did not do. Okay, hold on. I might have done this wrong here. So just need to do that, and then dash dash with the word list at the end. No one extra space right there. Dash dash, no word list. What the hell? Is that not exactly what it did? Oh, dash dash word list is equal to, okay. My fault. Word list is equal to. Okay, beeswax. Beeswax. Alright, get out of here. And hopefully that was it. Let's now SSH. Stack I. And then K. IDRSA. That K. Or K. At the IP of the target. So right there. Copy that. Put that in there. Oh, can't. Come on, man. What do you mean? Just copy the goddamn thing, bro. No, this. Just copy the goddamn thing, man. It's not that tough. Alright, there we go. There. Beeswax. 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 There we go. We logged in. Nice. Alright. What can you do with this information? We accessed it. What is the final password you obtained? Alright, let's yeah, pause, back, and here's a really strong password that follows the password policy, $law. Nice. And this right there. Is it? There you go. Nice. Very nice. Very, very, very nice. Nice. We are K. That's it. That's the room done. That is the room done. Let me just get /etc shadow. Okay, we don't have permission for that, but we did get to the K account as well, so we get access to both accounts. I mean, I don't think there's anything else we need for this room. I mean, like, we don't really need to get root access. It didn't really ask us that. It didn't really want the root flag or anything like that. We did get access to both accounts, and we did get access to the super secret, super strong password at the end. So, oh, hold up. There we go. I didn't find the confidence there for a sec. I was like, what's going on? But there we go. This is done. Next one on the list is Kenobi, which we will do very soon. Maybe tomorrow, maybe the day after. We will see, but it will happen soon enough. I could just click on it for now. We don't have to do it now though. Yeah, been streaming for an hour and a half. I think I'm just gonna rate out now, and then we're gonna call it a day, guys. So let's just do that real quick. Let's see if we have anybody to rate out to first. So let's do yeah, InfoSec streams. Yeah, I'm the only one live right now, so might just end stream then if there's nobody else to rate out to. Or we could just go and find somebody from the list. Here, software and game development. Let's go find somebody. Software and game dev. Let's see.
To do like a beat string. Beat structs in C3 one more time. Are we in C3? Yeah, so this is C3. So beat structs. Beats. Structs. So yeah, so here we just specify this kind of things. So beat structs allows storing fields in a specific beat layout. A beat struct may only contain integer types
Sexual,
And
bro, how do you have
in
sexual
other,
themes?
respects, it works like a
How do you have sexual themes in a...
So yeah. So it's interesting is that
Okay, maybe they, I don't know. It's a VTuber. How do you have sexual themes, man? Being a VTuber, how do you do that? How do you manage that?
Oh, you have you short. Huh.
Yeah.
How long can you manage that? How do you do that?
Do you
I don't know.
So like with the Game Boys.
Okay, so we have item.
Game Boy has 8.
I'll just read it to this guy here, I think.
Structure. Right, so that means it's a message kind. Alright, so this is a message kind.
And like I don't think
It's a
we
char.
need
Okay. So item kind is kind of different. So item.
Let's read it to him.
Barack Obama.
Maybe I should also make a char. Right, so we can store it. Item kind.
See if there's anybody streaming cybersecurity or else.
What is the index? I think the index is literally the index within
Oh
the
my god.
item array.
I
Let's
just-
see what it is. So it's gonna be int.
No.
And then.
Yes.
So this is a
Oh,
float.
let's see.
And size is just the size of the structure. So this is just like an additional information. We don't really care about it. So this is the structure that we send.
Let me just
over
search
the
so a sec.
network. That's very simple structure that we simply send over the network. So what's it?
That's me. Hackme, I don't know. Let's see that. Okay, I don't know. Okay, let's just read it then. Cause I don't know. Yeah, just gonna do that. And then call it a day here. Alright, let's read out and say bye bye to you guys here. Raid. / raid. So him. And yeah guys, that's it. That's us done for today, boys. Take care. Have a great night, everybody. It was very nice to have you all here today. Son. Nail Spring, thank you for the follow. To us, thank you for the follow today, guys. Point about win and Nail Spring and just about everybody. Tanvu, no, that was a bot. Mitch, everybody that was here today. Thank you guys. Have a great rest of your night. And I will see you all legends tomorrow, hopefully. Bye bye. Take care, guys. I'm off to sleep now. Bye.